Okay, kwenye previous tutorial tulilearn how to create business analytics web dashboard kwa kutumia Python programming language na Streamlit library ku visualize data ambazo zipo kwenye Microsoft Excel. Okay, so today tunaenda ku add another module. Okay, so module hii itakuwa just a simple form. Okay, form ambayo ita insert data kwenye file la Microsoft Excel. Okay, so for example, now I select order date and I select region. For example, region is West. Okay, and city is, for example, Los Angeles, and category is just cookies, and product name, for example, is potato chips, and quantity is, for example, now is 30, and unity price is 0.03. Okay, so now when I click save data to Excel file, okay, as you see, okay, so now potato chips or data has been added successful. Okay, so now nasema kwamba refresh page ina just kufilter current date data. Okay, so now hizi ni data za current date. So all inventory items I have 10 and sum of total price ni hii hapo. Okay, so niki just kuja ku insert data kwenye file la Microsoft Excel. For example, now I pick a date and I select a region, okay, and city is New York, and category is just for example, bars, and product name is chocolate chip, and quantity, for example, is 10, and unity price is 0.01. When I click save data to Microsoft Excel, then data has been added successful. Okay, so when I come to refresh a page, so it change from 10 to 11. Okay, from 10 to 11. Okay, so now you can see now all inventory products ni 11 baada ya ku add a new data. Okay, so now when I just add last record, for example, city is Boston, okay, and region is East, and product name is, for example, arrowroot, and quantity, for example, quantity is, for example, 30, and unity price is 0.05. Okay, so when I click save data to Excel, okay, data has been added successful, and all even inventory products ni 11. Okay, so when I refresh the page, you can see, okay, so now we can see now all inventory products zimekuwa zimechange kutoka kwenye 11 kwenda kwenye hapo ambapo ni 12. Okay, now you can check also a graph has been changed. So you can see here is just a simple bar graph. Then you can see now we have arrowroot, carrot, chocolate chip, potato chips. Okay, so just nikiposition cursor ina just kuniletea an option. We have date, sum of unity price and product for a particular item. Nikija hapa na kwenyewe ina just kuonyesha hizi option na hizi ni region. Okay, hii ni just a dot plot na bar na cookies na crackers for a current date. Okay, so nikiposition cursor kwenye particular dot tunaona kuna just information zinaonekana. Nikiposition cursor you can see kuna information zinaonekana kwenye particular dot. Also kuja kuangalia kwenye hii just a simple bar graph, we have a carrot, we have a chocolate and so on. So nikiposition cursor kuja kuona kuna option inakuwa displayed for a particular item. Okay, again hii ni just a scatter plot also na yenyewe vile vile. Okay, so tuliona nao kwenye hii project yetu na just kuweza kufilter date. For example, now I filter a date, for example this one. Okay, I filter data kutoka kwenye tarehe hii. Okay, so utakuta data ina filter data zote, so all total items katika this date range. Tutaja kuona all inventory products ni hizi hapa zinaonekana. Okay, na just hii ni scatter plot, ni bar graph. Okay, so today tunaenda ku add a new module to add a new record to Excel file. Okay, so region ina fetch from Excel file, and category ina fetch from Excel file. Okay, and also city ina fetch from Excel file. Okay, so na project source code unaja katika account yangu ya GitHub, nimeweka link kwenye video description. Now unaweza kaja katika hii GitHub repository. Now you can download what source code. So clicking code, then you just download. So local download zip. Okay, so we have a requirements.txt kwa ajili ya dependencies or library. Okay, hii ni project ambayo tulitengeneza. Okay, so now kwenye project yetu hii ni just a folder ambayo ina project. So our dataset is data.csv excel file. So nikijust kuli open ili file letu utakuja kuona just ina display hizo data. Okay, okay, so now let's check our product ambazo tulizi add. Okay, so product tulizi add ni hizi hapa, hii Boston bars arrowroot in 30 0.05 and so on. Okay, so hizi tumezi add items ambazo ni of course in hizi. So current date is this date, date kuanzia hapa mpaka hapa. So number of items current date ni 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11 items tunazo. Okay, okay, so how to implement what is this material design form to insert data to what Excel file. Okay, so now come to our previous project and desktop. Okay, and we have this is our project. Okay, okay, so now nimeingia kwenye root level ya project yetu na hizi folders na .streamlit, images, data, main.py, requirements, style and just user interface. No problem. So just kuna new files ambazo nilizicreate tutorial hii, just haina maana yote na requirements. Okay, so now come to folder address bar and access command prompt. So write cmd and click enter. Okay, and when cmd now write code, just write your code then space then dot then /. Okay, and hit enter. So it open what Visual Studio Code. Okay, okay, again just run our project. So nitakuja kuja kulirun ili file la main.py. Okay, so again nitakuja kulirun ili file la main.py. Okay, so come to our command prompt, then just andika streamlit. Okay, and just run what main.py, then click enter. Okay, so project yetu ina run kwenye hii local IP address ambayo ni hii, and this is a port number na hii ni just a local IP address. Okay, okay, so now let's check our project. This is our project. Okay, so hapa just tunaenda kuweka hiyo form ya ku-add data kwenye eneo hili. Okay, okay, so now open Visual Studio Code and add another file. Yes, the file name is addData.py. Add data to Microsoft Excel.py. Okay, and then click enter. Okay, so now hapa tuna just import libraries. For example, now import Streamlit is st. Okay, and import pandas. Okay, is of course as pd, pandas as pd. Okay, and again just here we create user defined function def function. Our function is add underscore data. Okay, a function I just could pass any parameter. Now essentially implement a function body. Okay, okay, after then just I read csv file. So now comment read csv file. Okay, so you tumia library ya panda ambayo ni pd kwa ajili ya ku load data. So my data frame will be df data frame equal to our panda library, that is pd dot read excel file. So excel file is file extension .csv, and file name is data.csv. Okay, so hapa nime just kuandika what a command to load data from what data source ambao ni file Microsoft Excel. Okay, so now here we just create a form, so now we create a form. So now with st.form, okay, with a st.form, okay, so our form calls a form name. Okay, form name is form, for example form 1. Okay, and now we just add another argument that is submission, clear on submit, submit equal to true. Okay, clear on submit equal to true. After adding data, then form it just could refresh. Okay, so just to implement this built-in function, then inside a form to just kutengeneza what field or input fields. Okay, input field ya kwanza itakuwa just column number 1 and column number 2 equal to st columns as well, and how many number of columns are 2. Okay, so we create fields. With the first field will be order underscore date, order date. Okay, so order date equal to column number 1, okay, dot date. Let's choose date input. Okay, the date input, then now just write a label here, then is order date. Okay, another field is region equal to column number 2, okay, dot just now put a select box. Okay, so now kwenye region kuja kuangalia region ni hizi hapa kwenye our data set. Okay, our data set now region we have east and west. Okay, so hizi ni just what grouped data. Hizi ni grouped data, we have east and west, so we fetch region from existing data set. Okay, so now here I just write region as a label. So label is a region, and our data will be a df, and now is region. Okay, we create another column, for example column 1 and column 2. Okay, equal to st dot columns. Okay, and how many number of columns? 2. Okay, and we create another field that is city equal to let us say copy the same code, and then we just come to duplicate, equal to column 1. Okay, this column dot select box now insert city. Okay, so we fetch from the data set kwenye just field inaitwa city. So nikija kwenye my data frame now city, here hapa we have Boston, Los Angeles, New York and San Diego, of course. So tuna fetch city from existing data source kwenye hiyo variable ya city. Okay, another is category. So you just copy here a code and come to duplicate. Okay, so hapa tunaandika, sorry, this is single equal sign. Okay, so hii ni just a category equal to now is column remove 1 is column 2 ambayo ni just here hapa dot select box. Now fetch what column the database inaitwa category. We have bars, crackers, cookies and so on, so to filter. Okay, so now what category. Okay, so now choose category, and now we just call our variable ambayo inaitwa category. Okay, so another thing is to create a column to insert a product quantity and unit price. Okay, so column 111, column 222, and column 333. Okay, so equal to equal to st dot columns. Okay, how many number of columns? 3. Okay, so now a product, okay, equal to column 111 dot select a box, and inside we just call a product variable. Okay, so product variable in here. Okay, so we have carrot, we have arrowroot, chocolate chip, and so on. So now we call our data frame. Okay, so now here is a label, and label name is product, and just we put a value ambayo itakuwa natoka kwenye our data frame, and we just pick our variable kwenye data set inaitwa product. Okay, another, we just create a quantity. So quantity equal to column number 222 dot select box. Okay, so now quantity and value ataingiza just a quantity. Okay, so quantity is not a selected box because this is numeric data. So now we just select built-in function ambayo inaitwa number underscore input. Okay, number underscore input. Okay, another is unit price, and just unit price, unit underscore price, or equal to column number 3333. Okay, so now just 3333. So now enter unit price as a label. So finally we just come to create a submit button. Okay, so now this is a button. Okay, so button btn, so is in variable na assign kwenye button equal to form and submit and underscore button. Okay, so now a label will be save data to Excel file. Okay, then button color will be just right here. A type will be, we have a primary type equal to button primary. Okay, button primary. Okay. Okay, so now we call our form. So come to call our function. Just we create a function that is add data. Okay, so here we just kuja huku mwisho kabisa huku call our function that is add data and come to check an output. So kija kwenye our project now current na run, and also press control keypad and hold and press C. Now product of course the project imekuwa stopped, and now Streamlit run our file that is addData.py. Okay, so now load ili file inaitwa addData.py. This file addData.py, so tuna run. Okay, addData.py ndo hili hapa tumerecreate. So addData.py ambayo ni just ni hili hapa tuna run. Okay, so now come to run. Now come to check an output. So hii no longer, just close it. Okay, so now you can see our form now is created, but missing submit button is not a Streamlit command. Okay, so now come to troubleshoot our project. There's a problem. Okay, select box is remove underscore, and select box remove underscore. Okay, I think everything is good. Okay, now so save changes and come to refresh and output. Okay, so you can see missing button, select box also. Where is the select apple? Okay, apple. Okay, and this is submit button. I think submit button. Okay, submit button equal to st dot. Okay, now save changes. Now come to refresh and output. Okay, refresh and output. Okay, so now you can see order date. Now I can pick a date. Region. Now I can pick a region. City from dataset. Okay, dataset, and bars from dataset. And now I can, so now perform some sort of data validation. When I click save data to Excel, now unaweza ka check kama hizi fields zote zimekuwa filled. So kama kuna empty field ambayo imeachwa, so unafanya data validation. So hii required. Okay, so now check your validation. So we perform a form validation. Okay, so now we have a variable inaitwa button btn variable, na tumeassign kwenye submit button. So now if button is clicked, okay, if button is clicked, now check if order date is empty. Okay, order date, this one. If order date is empty, okay, let's choose all, and what region is empty, or region, or region is equal to empty, or city. Okay, so now or city is equal to empty, or category is equal to empty, or category is equal to empty, or product is equal to empty, or product, okay, is equal to empty. Quantity and unity price. Okay, so or quantity is equal to empty, or unity price is equal to empty. If either items zipo empty, now you can see if order date equal to empty or region equal to empty, so hiyo ni just a condition. So the first branch itakuwa just ku display an error message. So st dot, for example, is dot danger, okay, or dot error. Okay, so now all fields, okay, are required. All fields are required. I think there is a mistake here. If button is clicked, okay. Okay, so now when unity price or unity price equal to 0.00 and quantity equal to 0.00. Okay, so the if condition now, then kumwisho ndio kwa what a colon. Okay, so st.error all fields are required, and now return false. Okay, return false, so that means kwamba usiload a page. Okay, so now come to refresh and output. So suppose natural default, then I click save data, so you can see all fields are required. Suppose all fields zimekuwa filled, okay, in unit price, in Los Angeles, in so on, in order date, just select date. So when you click save data to Excel, okay, so now data was in the file Microsoft Excel. Okay, so now hapa kinachofuata ni just create a code za add data kwenye file Microsoft Excel. Okay, if button is clicked, okay, so now perform data validation. So kama data validation, now data zimekuwa filled, now else what? Set now, set data, set. Okay, so now data frame equal to pandas our library dot, so we access built-in function to a concatenation function. Okay, so now we put a list of concatenation, so df, so pd dot, so data frame in other just a capital letter data frame dot, of course just choose from records. Okay, from records. Okay, so now we just open easy brackets. For example, just after kutengeneza hizi from records, tuna so from records ni just built-in function, so na just kuiwekea brackets za namna hiyo, then unaweka just again a list. Okay, so ndani ya list una just ku create is curly brackets, and then una click enter. Okay, so now humu ndani sasa tuna just create our variable ambazo zipo kwenye file Excel. So unaweza kaja kwa copy, now copy. Okay, come to paste hapo kwenye hizi bracket, humu kwenye hizi bracket, I'm sorry, order date. Okay, another is region. Just come to copy region, is a copy region, so region. Okay, another is just come to check city, so now copy city, copy. Okay, so come to paste city. Okay, so another is category and product. Okay, category and product, now copy, come here, so just category, yes, product. Another is quantity and unit price. Hiyo unaiacha yeah, total price equal to quantity times unit price. Okay, so quantity and unit price, just right here, quantity. So remember kwamba hizi ni just case sensitive, order date, region, city ni case sensitive. Okay, yes, so kisha una elewa hilo, and unit price. Okay, order date equal to our variable order date kwenye input field, and region equal to region our variable, and city equal to city our variable, and category equal to category our variable, and product equal to product our variable, and quantity also equal to quantity our variable, and unit price equal to unit price variable. I think just comma, okay. Here naika comma. So now another column ambayo nataka to insert data is the total price. Total price equal to quantity times unit price, okay. Total price. So now total price equal to, now convert to float data type, quantity, then times unit price, times then float variable amount, yes, unit price, this one. Okay, so hapa na just kusahau kuweka hizi hapa just a colon. Okay, so another step is to perform exception handling now, sababu hii just kuinsert data kunaweza kukafeli. Okay, so na unaweza kukafeli, so tunaandika just a try ikiwa na maana kwamba just kuandika try ta experience errors za kutosha sana. So now handle what exceptions ambazo zina associate na kuinsert data. So handle exceptions, so zile areas zote ambazo zitakuwa na just mistakes zitakaa ndani ya try. Okay, so just try, okay, try block inakaa just eneo hili, okay, try. Okay, so try df dot to csv, okay, and then our csv file is data.csv ili hapo, okay, and now index now equal to of course is false. Okay, so now after then we just provide a prompt st.success. I think success, now record has been added, successful has been added, successful, okay. And which record? Then the product, then you perform concatenation, okay, then you just leave space, okay, has been added, successful, and for that case return true, okay, return true. Ikiwa imefeli sasa, if block of code execute number of exceptions, okay, so now hizo exceptions tunazithrow kwenye catch block, okay. So catch block kwenye Python tunatumia except kwenye Java programming una try una catch, kwenye Python una try una except, okay. So except what? st dot just provide warning, okay, unable to write, please close dataset, or close Excel file, or close Excel file. Again now return false. So I work my loading load is a step. Okay, so another step is to reload a page. Load a page. Just if now reload the page. So just write st dot experimental line, st dot experimental run, okay. Okay, just could run a page, okay. Okay, so now okay, yes, everything is good. Okay, so try, yes, nakaa hapo, and accept, yes, nakaa hapo. Okay, and experimental run, just nakaa kwenye just button kwanza. Okay, go just line st.experimental run. Okay. Now save changes, come to refresh and output. Okay, so for now rerun ni just remove kwa sababu tutaenda call page hii kwenye another main.py. Okay, so now let me comment. Okay, so now save data to Excel file or fields are required. So for example, West or Boston, cookies, carrot in 34. Okay, so save data to Excel. I can see carrot has been added successful. Okay, now let's check our data set. Our data set ni hapo. Close it. Save, of course. Okay, sorry. Just close and dot save. Okay. So now open our data set. Okay. So data and current date. Okay. So now click OK. So come to tail. Okay, you can see our product is expanding. Okay, you can see carrot is in 34 ni quantity as well. Okay, so data imekuwa successful. So now come to run our main.py. So run main.py. So come to our project. I think is this one. Okay, so stopisha current project na run. So Streamlit run. Now we run main.py. Okay, so now our project imesha run tayari, so this is no longer, just close it. Okay, so now our project currently in a run and just now provide output. Okay, so now tunaiweka form yetu this area. Okay, naiweka form this area and just come to remove histogram. So come to main.py. Okay, so main.py, we just come to first graph. First graph is of course is bar chart. Okay, so now we remove it, a bar chart, we cut and we come to paste huko kwenye chini kabisa huko. Yeah, come to paste our graph. Okay, so we paste graph chini huko chini. Okay, yes. Okay, that's indentation. Okay, and hapa tunakuja ku call sasa hilo faili letu ambalo tumelitengeneza, hilo faili la ku insert data kwenye form ya Excel. Okay, so now copy this subheader now and just come to paste hapo kwenye hapo. Okay, so now hapa tunaandika just insert a new record. Insert, okay, insert a new record. Okay, so now indentation is very important. So another thing is to call our file ambayo inaitwa addData.py. So from addData, sorry, yes, from addData, that is our file, then import everything, import all. Okay, so we call a function when you add data function of course in user defined into add data function. Now come to call here add data like this. Save changes and now come to refresh and output. Okay, so there are multiple identical forms with key form 1. Okay, add data line number 8 and number 15. Add data line number 8. Let's put form underscore 1. Okay, okay, 50, of course. Let's come to check output. Okay, the identical form keys from 1. Where is the identical form keys? Let's come to add data. I'm sorry, hapa ni just call, so remove calling. Okay, then our form name will be okay. So I'll come to refresh and output. Okay, so now you can see our form imeappear na this is ile ambayo ilikopo hapa tumeihamisha. Okay, so try to insert data kwenye database. So order date, that date, West, Los Angeles, so on, and just a quantity is 30 and unit price. Okay, so save data. Okay, data has been added successful, so you see. Okay, and click save data again, all fields are required. So exception handling maana yake ni kwamba tulifanya pale hii data set nikiwa nimeifungua, afu hapa nikaja nika insert data. Okay, data set yangu ya Microsoft Excel nimei-open. Okay, nimesha open data set, afu hapa nikaja nika insert data of course. Okay, for example, Siri is Boston chocolate chip. Save data to Excel. Okay, so you can see the message, unable to write, please close Excel file. Hii ni nini? Hii ni ile line ambayo ni hii line. Okay, hii line, unable to write, please close Excel file, ambayo ni hii unable to write, please close Excel file. What? Hiyo ni just a exception handling. Okay, so now eneo ambalo limeleta exception hii na object imekuwa thrown hapa kuonyesha kwamba tumepunguza zile errors za programming ambazo ni of course ni runtime errors zinaitwa. So program inapokuwa na run ina experience crash, yani program ina crash. So program hapa ilikuwa ime crash, lakini tume just handle na kuonyesha message ambayo just user anaweza kai understand. Okay, so now I think everything tumesha complete, imesha kuwa completed project yetu. So now unaweza just kuihamisha hii of course. Okay, so now unaweza ka filter data kama kawaida, just come to this date range, na data bado zina filter kama kawaida. You can see na histogram, just select region and quantity. You can see initialize, wait more. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, so just come to take a Siri. Okay, yes, for example category. Okay, it's good. And now I just pick a date, for example this one. Okay, you can see, and let's save data to Excel. All fields are required, and this is data set. Okay, so now everything is good.